In Prophet Benard's book, he was supposed to list 10 cryptocurrencies that every trader must watch, but he listed 5 instead of 10. Now let's look into, there's supposed to be 10 coins, but it was just 5, and look into their technicals and projects accordingly. First coin is DFI.money. Second is DFI.finance. Third is Keeper DAO. Fourth is Saffron Finance. Fifth is Elrond coin. And these are the coins that Prophet listed. We are looking into them. Make sure you join my Telegram at Jordan Nixon. Let's quickly go and look into. So Prophet Benard released top 10 cryptocurrencies that we must watch, but only gave out 5. I could only see 5 there, right? But let's not worry. Let's not worry about that. Let's just quickly go and look into the coins. Number 1, DFI.money. Number 2, DFY.finance. I already mentioned to you guys. So let's quickly look into the number 1, DFI.money. So let's go. So that is DFI.money. The current price is $63.12. The volume in this coin is $116,000 in the past 24 hours. Money that is floating in this coin is what I just mentioned. To me, it's not a lot. 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 There should be a lot of money. Guys, before you start touching on this coin, make sure the volume has increased from $500,000 going to $1 million going. 16,000 people are holding this coin. Only 34,000 have added it to their watch list. Okay. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain. You see their socials, the website is there. These are the coins. The all-time high of this coin was $9,385.42. Wow. Almost $10,000. The all-time low is $56. So let's look into the projects. So DFI.money, also known as YFII, is a fork of popular decentralized finance aggregator platform Yen.finance. Launched in July 2020, it aims to optimize returns for DeFi investors while adhering to changes proposed in an upgrade plan called YIP-8. In addition to protocol changes, DFI.money has also released new products, chief among which the Vote it describes as its killer product. The native token of DFI.money is YFII, a fixed supply token which liquidity providers earn in accordance with their network interaction. Let's DFI.money. I'm eating stop loss right here. DFI.money. Okay, that should be YFII USDT. That should be this one. Let me see the monthly. This is not a chart to me. No, this is not a chart. It looks like the chart, but this was a late distance. Let me see. YFI. Maxi or Gate should have it. Maxi or Gate should have it correctly. No. Gate, Maxi, sorry. Okay, so this is Maxi. What time high is it? Up to 10,000? Yeah. And then the coin started dropping from that time. So now, I don't think, like I said earlier, let the volume increase first. Let the volume increase first before you buy this coin. Let the volume increase from like 500 to 1 million. Then that should tell you that people are now putting money into it. But now, I think the volume is dying. So just stay away. Me, I will. So sorry. This is not financial advice. Me, I'll choose to stay away for a while on this coin. I'll stay away from this coin. I'll stay away. But Possible price point on this coin. Should I even give a possible price point? No, I'm not giving a possible price point on this coin. This particular coin, no. So let's look at the second coin, YFIII. So that's the second coin. Let's look into that coin. YFIII. Let's see what it's about. YFIII. So let's check the abouts quickly. So that's this price not tracked. YFIII. Price not tracked. This coin seems to have had some issues, right? Let me check it out on let me check it on Trading View and see. Okay, I see. It's not officially on one market cap, but I think it still can be traded. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing. But what I'm seeing, I'm not so convinced. Coins that are not officially on CoinMarketCap, I don't really advise. Okay, because they have not reported information about the coin to CoinMarketCap. So myself, I stay away from those coins. Let's go to the next coin quickly. Keeper DAO. The ticker is Rook. So let's look into Rook on here. Rook. I think this one is officially on CoinMarketCap. I don't want to expose anybody to any catastrophe. Okay. So let's only work with coins that have their data, reported to CoinMarketCap. Let's only work with coins that do so. Okay. It's still loading. So we have the price at 17 cents. It's down 30% in the last 24 hours. Market capital, $109,000. That's the market cap on this coin. $109,000. I think the price is quite affordable. 15,000 people have added it to their watch list. And we have, in the past 24 hours, in the past 24 hours, the volume of this coin is $682. Guys, you need to open your eyes. Stay away from this coin. The holder 16,000. Yeah, my goodness. Total supply is 1.22 million. Max supply is 1.5 million. This is their website, their socials. So check their socials whether people are engaging them. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain. The all-time low is 0.08. The all-time high is $831. So these coins, they have already hit the coins and then they are falling down flat to nothing. So stay away from these coins from to the Nixon. I'm not even going to give possible price points unless I see something changing on them before I'll do that. So stay away from these coins, honestly. Then we have Saffron Finance, SFI. Let's check that one out and see. SFI, Saffron Finance. Yeah, that's it. It's currently at $158. Saffron.finance. Mostly the coins in the top 10, which has only five has been given. Most of the coins that has been given amongst the 5 is relating to finance stuff. Finance stuff. So I didn't even look into their projects. Yes, this is how discouraging I feel about them. I think this coin is giving us a different look. So in the last 24 hours, $158 is the price. Market cap is around $40 million. The volume in the last 24 hours is $17,000. And holders, 12,000 people are holding this coin. Total supply is $92,000, $100,000, 100,000 SFIs are in max supply. Sorry about that. You can visit their website. Their social X is here. It has been created on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on MetaMask and Trust Wallet. The all-time high and lows. All-time high is $3,405. The all-time low is 13.98. So I think there was a pump that got the price from 13.98 to even $364 and came back down. But let's look at it on TradingView so I can have a full sight. SFI USD, this one. Let's work with this one. Okay. This price here is also reporting $160. The all-time high is this. We came down like this. So I think it's giving us a good clue here about the price. Some things are changing on this instrument, but I'll still want you to relax about them because this price is likely to fall to some point here before it goes. You can start buying them if you want to buy this particular one when it comes to $50, $40. Okay, but now the price is so high. Don't buy here. Don't buy here. Don't buy here. Don't buy here. But if I'll give a price point on this coin, I think it's gonna go to 15,000, 30,000. Yes, that's a price point. But let's wait for more volume to come in. Me, the volume 17,000, I'm not happy with it, honestly. So I'm not going in for this coin. Sure. Now let's look at the next one. Elrond, EGLD. Let's look at it. You guys can go and check the about section of this coin. Saffron is a protocol for tokenizing on-chain assets. On-chain assets, I'm receiving a lot of calls. I need to finish this, including contracts that otherwise impair access to utilize capital. Tokenized ownership of on-chain assets gives liquidity providers greater flexibility and uninterrupted access to the underlying collateral while enabling leverage taking and bespoke risk management. So that is it about this coin. Let me check the last one again. EGLD. So yeah, this one. Let's look at this. EGLD. EGLD. So this is the EGLD I'm seeing now. EGLD. It goes by the name Multiverse. It's kind of different from what prophets have listed. This one is Elrond. So let me put Elrond rather there. Elrond. So this is what I see here. They don't have any reported what I want to see. So I'm not going to even talk about this coin. So that is it about the top 10 coins, which only 5 was listed for us. Guys, I don't think any of these coin falls under the criteria for you to get them. But if you still want to go ahead, that's in your prerogative. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purpose only. I'm out. 2025 market crash has come to an end, and you've heard it here first. Trump tariffs have caused an uncertainty on the market. This is the right time for investors to jump in. Now, XPX, that is S&P 500, dropped 21%. NAS 100 dropped 27%. UK 100 dropped 16%. US 30, best 30 performing companies, right, in the United States dropped 20%. BTC, I predicted it's going to hit 75K. It even dropped to 74,000 and some few pennies there, right? Now, this is the time. The elites have taken profit. The market has gone down during uncertainty with Trump tariffs. This is a time that we have set into an accumulation phase. You want to invest into the Forex market, the synthetic, space. You want to invest into the crypto market. You want to do Forex. You want to do stocks. You don't know how to do it. Join the financial market masterclass with Trader Nixon, and I'll show you how to do it like a pro.